Do not be a video editor. Do this instead. My most recent video editing project was $1,800 to edit one 15-minute YouTube video. And in this video, you're going to learn the exact lessons I learned every step of my editing career, going from $60 per video to over $1,800. You'll learn how to price your video editing and of course how to increase that price all the way up to earning thousands of dollars for your videos. Now, I actually started out my video editing journey not even at $250 per video. I invested a ton of time and effort into landing this awesome client, but when it came to pricing, I massively undervalued myself. I panicked and just said $60.
We're rich!
Luckily, I was able to quickly demonstrate my value and find opportunities to charge more and more for that work. But this could have easily gone in the wrong direction, and I'd simply be stuck undervalued, underpaid, and overworked. Yes, charging a lower amount of money does allow you to get started with earning online income. It could be the first dollar you've earned, for example, but there's a few quick things that you can do to hit that next level as soon as possible. The first of which is to present yourself well. I see so many editors that, if I was hiring, I would simply avoid. What you might view as a small thing could be the difference between you landing a client that changes your life or them just ignoring you. Make sure your social media profiles are presented professionally and your portfolio of work is relevant to the clients you're wanting to work with. If you're sending a portfolio of Fortnite clips to business owners, asking them if they want a video editor, you may as well sit and watch paint dry, because you'll have the same chance of success. Things like building a website, being polite, direct, and grammatically correct in your outreach can make all the difference at this stage. Without that, it's like trying to fill up a bucket with water and the bucket's got loads of holes in it. Clients are looking for editors that are on the ball, fast learners, and most of all, capable. It's your job to show them that you are that and really portray yourself in a good way. Regardless, this level of money might be okay as a side hustle if you're very young, but it's really not getting you anywhere anytime soon. So the next key to leveling up your pricing is probably something you've overlooked. When I hit the level of being able to charge around $500 for my videos, I was desperately looking for ways to differentiate myself from other editors. At this level, there are still many editors that can swoop in and replace you. A great way to rise above other video editors is to position yourself as an expert. We are lucky in the sense that to become an expert, you don't have to sail the 7 seas looking for video editing secrets or hunt for a long lost map to success. All we have to do is stay hungry for knowledge, which will develop our skills. Once your skills are at a certain level, you can begin to share your work, share your journey and advice for your potential clients on social media. Twitter, or x.com as it's now called, is a great place to get started sharing the value you have to offer. The approach of offering your audience so much value that they can't ignore you is a concept that's skyrocketed over the past few years. With anything online business, and especially video editing, you can give away information completely for free and sell the implementation. The value of your video editing service is in how you specifically implement that information and ultimately solve their problem. And you're in luck, because the problem we're solving as video editors is a problem that clients will pay thousands of dollars for you to fix. Think about it. If you got paid a massive amount of money for posting YouTube videos, you'd also hire a well-paid editor to free up your time and create even more videos. All you have to do is position yourself in the right way, become a capable video editor, and find clients in the correct ways. And there's no reason why you can't take full advantage of this. And in the next point, I'll show you exactly how to do that. I remember when I hit this level of money, it required me to take on more and more responsibilities.
I do love what I do. I do enjoy it, but it's 10 past midnight now. I can't keep exchanging this much of my mental energy, of my time, in exchange for a paycheck.
There's a better way of doing this that means you can level up without doing twice as much work and taking away your freedom, which is a big reason many video editors start freelancing. What you're going to want to do is to observe the masses and do the opposite. Only look at what top editors and creators in the game are doing and replicate their moves. Unsuccessful editors send low quality outreach and hear nothing back. So send high quality outreach to hear back from whoever you want to work with. Unsuccessful editors don't have a strong brand behind them to make potential clients want to work with them. So build yourself a strong brand. Observe the masses and do the opposite is how you can rise above all your competition and start charging $1,000 or more for your videos. Unsuccessful editors won't bother stacking their skills because they aren't passionate or they think it's a waste of time, so become passionate and invest time into learning. It's also essential that you network with the right people. There's so much opportunity out there, but editing can be a lonely path to take, which can actually be really negative and turn your dream career into a nightmare. For this exact reason, I'm actually building a free community of video editors of all levels. Within this free community, there'll be lots of free resources. You can have your questions answered by experienced editors like myself. You can network with editors and creators on your level and ultimately grow together. Editing shouldn't be a lone wolf game. There's so much opportunity out there to go around, and you can make progress so much faster in a community of like-minded people on the same journey as you. But I'll only keep this invite open for a limited time because having a smaller group makes things more personal and valuable. With all of these points in mind, it's time to join the big leagues and find out exactly how we can charge over $1,500 per video. When I finally reached this level, it felt incredible to be valued that highly. You need to position yourself as a problem solver and an entrepreneur, not a video editor. You want to be an entrepreneur first and an editor second. Once you're able to pitch, sell, and then deliver your video editing services as a high-level entrepreneur would, that's when you will level up. Here's how I did it. So I'm a capable video editor, I'm well presented like we spoke about in level 1, and that's made me trusted and viewed as an expert in my niche. I'm observing what the masses are doing and I'm doing the opposite. I'm learning all the time, I'm doing high value outreach, and I'm growing and getting feedback within a community. You'd think at this point to level up to $1,500 or more per video, there'd be a magical hack that you can implement and instantly improve, right? Well, this is kind of true. This next point, not many editors are willing to do, so you're already at a massive advantage. Map out every single aspect of your work. The videos you create, the clients you work with, your website, the way you speak with potential clients, your productivity, your offering, even the time it takes you to edit videos. Then go through each area and dedicate hours and hours to making it the best it can be. Replicate proven websites in the space, level up your service and provide a more comprehensive offering, research how to snap into flow state and do deep work. Ultimately, level up every aspect of your whole operation. And this next point is a level people are simply not willing to go to, and I don't actually recommend it, but it worked for my circumstances. Maybe you can tell by my pale skin, I've actually spent the last 3 weeks locked in my house doing nothing but leveling up, thinking of ideas, researching, planning, implementing for everything. This sounds crazy, but the result just yesterday, I signed a $6,500 a month deal with a client. So how was I able to do this? All the way from $60 a video to clients paying me thousands and thousands for my work, using the vehicle of video editing and playing the game of the creator economy, but being an entrepreneur at heart. That's the formula. I'll be sharing even more tips on how you can do this for yourself in the community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you over there.